Some awesome views, some beautiful homes, and all here in the hills of Morgan Hill. My listing is...
Take the next left onto Yagas Road.
But this is the community. And while I made a turn in a different direction so that I can give you some of these sights and sounds, it's an interesting road because it's...
Continue on Yagas Road for 1.5 miles.
...that I am somewhat familiar with. I just don't come up this direction too often. So I'm using my GPS, as you can hear, to make sure that I don't get sidetracked. I have enough time to do this because I always come prepared. So enjoy the sights, and I'll be careful. Signing off from Morgan Hill, the broker with the heart, maxmyhouse.com, 650-746-4607, and I'll gladly help you find your way home for less. Until next time, signing off.